Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to know a powerful way to attract or manifest money on a continuous basis, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to show you a powerful ritual that takes only a couple of minutes using bay leaves. Listen, if you want to know how to bring in that money on a continuous basis without even doing anything, keep watching this video. But before we get started, watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips to help supercharge your manifestations. And if you're new to this channel and want more videos just like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. Join the family. So now, if you want to know how to bring in money using bay leaves, keep watching this video. Now let's get started. I'm back. Now, the only thing I'm going to tell you that you're going to need to do this is basically a whole bay leaf and a dollar bill. That is all you need at this point to do this. This is something that is very quick and very powerful. Why bay leaf? A bay leaf is known for its properties of attracting abundance. Not only that, neutralizing or clearing away negativity. At the same time, it is a protector. So what is the best herb that you can basically carry around with you that is going to bring in abundance and protect your money? And that is a bay leaf. Now, what I'm asking you to do is to get a whole bay leaf. You can get this at the food store or look in the description, go to the store and buy it there. But a whole bay leaf is what you're going to need. And what I'm going to tell you to do is you're going to write money on here. Is either dollar signs, a certain amount of money that you want, whatever it is you're trying to manifest. For me, I'm just going to place dollar signs on this. I'm going to use a Sharpie because a Sharpie writes very easy and it doesn't break the bay leaf, okay? If it does, just get another one. And it's okay to use one that's already broken, okay? But the whole thing is you just want a whole bay leaf. So I'm going to write dollar signs all over the bay leaf, representing money. On the back, I'm going to write my name. Now, so it's going to look like this. Dollar signs and my name on the back. That's it. Now, while you're doing this, I do want you to think about whatever it is that you want. You can even say a chant like, thank you, God, thank you, universe, for blessing me with money coming to me on a continuous basis. As I do this, my intent is money to come to me on a continuous basis for the best of all involved. You can say anything to that sort to bring in abundance. You're setting the intent in the bay leaf as you're doing this. The next thing you want to do, you may even want to hold the bay leaf in your hand, between your hands, and still say, thank you, universe, for blessing me with money coming to me on a continuous basis. As I do this, I'm setting the intent for money to come to me on a continuous basis for the best of all involved. That's it, okay? Now, you might also want to get a little money oil or prosperity oil and put a drop on your hand. Okay? And put it on the bay leaf. Okay? That's going to give a little extra charge to whatever it is that you're doing. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a dollar bill. Okay? And you're going to put if you want to, this is not absolutely necessary. It's just something that I'm doing for the video as an extra tip. You could also put money drawing oil, prosperity oil on the dollar bill. At the same time, keep saying that your intent is for this to bring in money on a continuous basis. What you're going to do with that, you're going to take the bay leaf with the dollar signs on it and your name, and you're going to fold this. You're going to place it in the dollar and fold it towards you. Again, bringing in money. And then you're probably going to close off the ends. At the same time saying, thank you, God, thank you, universe, for blessing me with the money. As I do this, the intent is money will come to me on a continuous basis. Keep doing that, okay? Now, where are you going to place this? You're going to place this in your wallet and leave it there. Listen, don't write me saying, Yvette, how long am I going to leave it there? Leave it there. Forget about it. But place it there and leave it. And when you see it, when you go get money out of your wallet, you just say, you look at it or you hold it or you touch it and you just say, money comes to me on a continuous basis for the best of all involved. Thank you, universe. Whatever it is you want to say, and you just leave it. Now, in about 3, 4, 5, 6 months, maybe even a year, if you feel like repeating this to supercharge it, you can take the same one out, open it back up, take this out, and do it again and place another bay leaf in here, okay? What do you do with the one that you took out? You can absolutely burn it in a flame, in a candle flame, and take the ashes and blow it out to the universe. Or you can just leave it there for the next year or 2 or 3 years or 4 years. Just leave it there. But sometimes you want to do it again and supercharge it, okay? Now, to give you guys another tip, while you're doing this, you might want to light a white candle and focus and to help with the energy of the room. You might even want to light prosperity candles, like Lailokin's wealth candles that is already programmed to bring in wealth. This is a success and prosperity. Okay, these are candles that are already programmed. You can go to the website and you can purchase them there. They only burn for about 3 hours. And another thing you can do, as you're putting the bay leaf in the dollar bill, you can absolutely wet the dollar bill a little bit. Okay, we're gonna wet the dollar bill, and you can add a little bit of cinnamon. Why cinnamon, everyone? Cinnamon also attracts abundance. You only need a little bit. And you can place the bay leaf in the cinnamon and then roll the dollar towards you. So in here now, you have a bay leaf, cinnamon, and a dollar. Everything has been anointed and the intent is set to bring in money on a continuous basis. And that is all you need to do. So again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and this is a Law of Attraction Metaphysical channel. If you want more videos just like this, you have to support the channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Again, I want to thank so many of you that have been writing, telling me how your life has improved and how you attracted money in your life and won at the casino and so many other things. Listen, blessings to all of you out there. Again, if you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, everything is in the description. Please go there, buy anything you see here in the videos, and blessings to you. Namaste.